You can't build a destination you haven't mapped. Most people aren't failing because they lack talent. They're failing because they are in a constant state of internal war. They say, I want this, and in the same breath, they whisper, but I can't have it. Imagine you want a home. You visualize it. You desire it. But then you look at your bank account and say, I only have 50 rupees. This is impossible. The moment you say impossible, you are effectively withdrawing your request. You've created a desire on one level and a rejection on another. In this conflict, nothing moves. You are a car with one foot on the gas and the other slammed on the brake. Why does faith seem to work for some people and not for the intellectuals? It's not about magic. It's about simplicity. A childlike person asks for help and then stops worrying. They remove the how from their mind. By removing the negative what-ifs, they create a thought with 100% intensity, no impediments, no friction. Let's be clear. The source of creation has already done a phenomenal job. Look at the universe. It's a masterpiece. The Creator doesn't need to lift a finger to build your house. If you are unhappy, it's simply because life isn't matching your blueprint. To change that, you have to look at your tools. How stable is your thought? How much focus do you actually have? Or is your mind just a machine of compulsive activity? Here's the trap. We use our past to decide what is possible. If I ask if you can walk, you say yes. If I ask if you can fly, you say no. Why? Because you haven't done it before. Using the past as a limit for the future is a disgrace to the human spirit. What has never happened on this planet before can happen tomorrow. Possibility is nature's business. Your business is to strive for what you want. Your mind is like a traveler. If you change direction every 2 steps, you'll never arrive. Organizing your mind means moving from a state of compulsive reaction to conscious creation. Clear the clutter. Remove the not possible. Decide what you want and let nature handle the limits.